Alright guys, how do you get your Super Bowl present Tier 1 chemistry and so on? Well, the challenge is you're only going to need 4 challenges in which you have these chemistries going. And right now I'm in the first challenge of the Super Bowl set that requires Tier 1. And then the next challenge is going to require Tier 2. Well, a Tier 1 requires the guys that have the LI right here, this badge marker right here, that count for the present, and it requires 6 of them to be in your lineup on offense and or defense at the same time, where you can have them all on offense or all on defense, and you get some free players, etc., but you get the idea. You just have to have them in there. I had to make a couple of decisions I wasn't happy about because I'm not going out and spending a bunch of coin on cards right now. So for example, I replaced my center with Andrews for the LI right tackle. I took Conklin out and put in Cannon, and so on. You see, I have here at halfback, which that doesn't count for this particular chemistry. That's the pass chemistry, where it works the same way though. It's 6 for Tier 1, and it's 10 for the Tier 2. And then once you get that challenge completed with that chemistry, you can go back and put in your other guys, and you're obviously going to focus on the other chemistry, which is the past, which is the next one. Like, for example, if you look over here, it shows at the very bottom, it's only have one guy in, the Super Bowl pass chemistry, which will be needed as well. And as you see, the first chemistry is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 players. Once you get to that chemistry, it's going to change that to look like this. And it'll show those 6 players, and lets you know that you're going to need 4 more players in your lineup to achieve the Tier 2 chemistry. Okay? So, remember, it's 2 different chemistries, and just do the one that you're on, that the challenge is requiring. So I'm going to do one challenge right now. I have to beat it with this, and then I'm going to have to figure out how to put 4 more players, probably gold, in my lineup to have 10 of the present. And then I can yank all those guys out. And then I want to go through 8 of the challenges that don't require any chemistry. And then for the last 2, I'll have to do Tier 1 and Tier 2 of the Super Bowl pass chemistries, which, again, as I showed you, are down here. Well, for me, and have the past, it just says past on it, and you'll need 6 of those for the first one, 6 guys in your lineup for the first one, and then you'll need 10 of the guys in your lineup for the second one, and then you'll be done with those, and you can pull those guys out of your lineup, or keep who you like, whatever. It is a little steep. Let's go ahead and get into the game, and I'll show you the chemistries. The requirements here, as you'll see, which if you're looking at this video you already know, but once you get into these challenges, the first 8, where are they? Hello, Super Bowl derp. Okay, as you see here, you'll do 10 of them, and you don't require any tiers, and then you'll get to the 11th challenge in each of these, and you see the 11th challenge would say something like this: activate Super Bowl present chemistry at a minimum of Tier 1. That's what this challenge did say, and now I have that, as you saw, 6 players of Tier 1, and your reward is Super Bowl Elite present, and then we'll play this challenge. So that's coming up in this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to get the challenge in, and yeah, I think it's a bit much. I really do, because you're having to put 10 players eventually for that last challenge. But it's only but then again, it's only for one challenge 6 players, and then the last challenge 10 players. Same thing when you go over to the Super Bowl pass ones. Okay, so hope that helps. Take care.